Sbardola yna, Fairea, final section being judged here at the Winter Fair.
Cip bach gyflym ar unwaith eto.
Taking a final look at his...
Dorian, lle mae chari chi mynd?
Dwi ddim, sy'n ni'n licio bod mewn yn ysgidiau elgannau hirfa. Mae'n edrych digon cool, ond tybio i bod o'n digon poeth dan y coler ar hyn o bryd yn edrych amdano nhw. Ond wy'n credu bod yr ebol blwydd fydd o ddim yn bell iawn ohoni am yr eboles, wel, mae bown o edrych ar hi a ffordd wrth hi mewn i'r pencampwriaeth a dal i fynd a eboles i faint.
Mae'r heti diosg a mae yna penderfyniad pwy sydd yn mynd â hi. Cemais Evans a Stewart sy'n galw nhw allan. Eboles Casgob Welsh Doll sydd yn mynd â hi.
Casgob Welsh Doll, number 1520, and the winner, of course, of the filly o Gerding foal class. And the reserve?
Gil Wobber yn mynd i'r ebol blwydd. Dorian.
Wel,
ti oedd yn gywir.
Chwarae teg. Ond chwarae teg, mae yna dyfodol o flaen y ddau geffel yma. Lle bynnag ewn nhw, mae yna dyfodol sicr a disglair o flaen y ddau nhw. Ond ar y diwrnod, rhaid fi ddweud, chwarae teg Elga, mae wedi dod ar gorau i'r brig a mae'r eboles i fynd cysled y benethu ar yr oedran mei, chwarae teg, wy'n credu mond deud chwarae teg. Wel,
llongyfarchiadau mawr i Hannah Owens, bryd efo Casgob, gyda Casgob Welsh Doll, pencampwr yn adran y Cobiau Cymreig. Well, llongyfarchiadau mawr, Hannah. You looked absolutely delighted.
Oh, over the moon, over the moon. It's just homebred and this is my first ever win, so I'm just like, unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Now, there's a special story about this one's mother. It's called Casgob Penblwydd Hapus. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so for my 18th birthday, which was quite a while ago, my gran and my mum got together and they gave me a foal, which then went on to, I've shown it and I've bred from it and this is out of it, and yeah, this is just special.
Oh, well, from the crowd's reaction, I think you would say you've bred yourself a flying machine.
Thank you very much, thank you.
And best of luck for the future.
Good, thank you.
Thank you.
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Leading off the Welsh Cob we have today.
Miss Hannah Owens o Brydfa Casgob yn ennill pencampwriaeth y Cobiau Cymreig gyda Casgob Welsh Doll.
Followed of course by Hayden Moore,